Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe we are finally here with this video. I have been working on a project for a little while now, a couple of months actually, and I have been kind of teasing on Insta stories as well as on here that I have been working on a project, and I am finally here to tell you I have been working on a cookbook. An cookbook. I decided my first one would be summer recipes. So I think I have 24 or 25 different summer recipes to share with you guys. And I can't believe we're here. Like, I can't believe we're actually here. I don't know, like I never thought about it before. And one of you guys had messaged me saying, you should write a cookbook. People would buy it. I love your recipes. And I'm like, oh my word. Ding, ding, ding. How amazing would that be? So I thought that would be so fun to come up with recipes, compile them for you guys to kind of go through, and then just kind of like branch out on my business venture, because I've never done a product of my own before. So I thought that that would be so fun. And who doesn't love food with everything going on in the world right now? We'll get into that a little bit later. But with everything going on in the world right now, I mean, food. Everyone loves food, right? So let's come together and make some good food. So it is available. I do have a link in my description box for you guys. Basically, I decided to do my first one. I decided to do a bunch of summertime inspired recipes since we are going into warmer weather. We have a few sauces, dressings, some lunch ideas, a couple of salad ideas, a couple of dinner ideas, a couple of sweet like desserty things. So most of the recipes that you haven't seen. There are a couple of dinner recipes that I've showed on YouTube, but you guys know I'm pretty bad about saying measurements and recipe, like measurements and instructions. So I wanted to be able to put them in this cookbook so that you would be able to have it out of, you know, your pocket all the time, instead of searching in videos or asking me like, where can I find this, and are there more details? So but yeah, I've been working really hard on it for a couple of months. It's been a journey though, because you guys know I always say, I don't know, I just eyeball a lot of things when I'm cooking, so keep that in mind. I am not a professional. I know you guys know that. I'm just a mom. I actually just started cooking and enjoying cooking and like experimenting with different flavors and spices and ingredients, and just getting into it a whole lot more as of this probably last year or 2 years, I will say, and I'm really enjoying it. It's something that I am so passionate about. I'm so passionate about food. I love food. My daughter loves food. It just runs in our family. We love good food. And I know you guys are always asking whenever I share a picture or boomerang or something on Insta stories, you're like, recipe please, and it just made me so happy. That's why I was sorry, I'm like getting excited here, throwing my weave around. It just made me so happy and so excited. I wanted to share with you whenever I was making something that was going in this e-cookbook. I don't know, is it called an e-cookbook? It's just like a downloadable PDF file. But yeah, cookbook, it's like 24 different recipes. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh my gosh, train of thought. Whenever I shared them on Insta stories, no joke, every single thing that I shared on Insta stories, I got messages from you guys asking for the recipe, and that just made me so happy and so excited to know, like, okay, I'm putting these things in here and they're interested in them. I hope you are. So we have a couple of alcoholic beverages, cocktails, you know, summer inspired cocktails. We have a couple of dressings and sauces. I've been experimenting with homemade dressings, and I put 2 in there, and then a couple of other sauces that have like really been amazing. Everything I decided to put in here has been tested by me, myself, and I've tried to be as precise as possible with measurements. But keep in mind, again, most of the time I eyeball, so I'm just trying to figure out, okay, is that like 1/3 of a cup, 1/4 of a cup? So keep in mind, I'm no professional, again, but I've tried to give you a really good guideline, and then always season to taste. Always taste your food, see what it's like, and see if you need to add something else. But for the most part, I think I did pretty well at narrowing down ingredients and measurements for you guys. So I'm so excited. If you guys do make any of my recipes, do not forget to tag me. Please tag me in your Insta stories, in your Instagram posts. Also, if you guys make any of my recipes or any of my food, it doesn't have to be just this cookbook like recipes. If you make any of my recipes from my other YouTube videos, let's use the hashtag #TrayChicMamaFood, and then I can see everything that you have made. So it just makes me so excited. There are definitely going to be more to come. I would love to do more editions, like fall edition or like crock pot edition, or kids too. If you guys want me to do like recipes for kids or something, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. I've been doing field research for a very long time, like asking you, what do you want to see for recipes? There were a ton of people who said you wanted to see dinners, and then there were a lot of people who wanted to see like different stuff, healthy salads, lunch ideas. I'm lost with breakfast and I'm bored with breakfast or whatever. So I wanted to do a good variety for this first one instead of just doing one specific thing. I thought a good variety of summer inspired recipes would be amazing. Anyway, all you have to do is click the link in my description box. I will also have a link in my Instagram bio for probably indefinitely, because it is my baby that I've been working on and I love, and I'm just so excited. So it is $10. I wanted to make the price point, you know, very doable. I didn't want to like create anything right off the bat that was going to be like this big extravagant thing. I just wanted it to be available to as many of you as possible so that we can get some good food out and going. Again, it is my major passion. I'm so excited to be doing this. I will still be sharing recipes on YouTube. Don't worry, I'll still be doing cook with me's and things like that. It makes me so happy. I get to like shout it from the world, although all of you already knew, right? Did you guys know? I'm sure you knew, because when I put a poll on, or like a question box on Instagram on stories, most of everyone said they thought I was making a cookbook. Or the next one was a food blog. I can't write for the like I cannot write for the life of me. I have no words. I'm not very good at speaking words and like putting things together, so now I can't do a food blog. So thankful to any of you who does purchase my cookbook. I am just so grateful and thankful for all of you, and your love and support means so much to Sydney and I. You have no idea. It makes me so happy, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to, you know, share all of these recipes with you guys. And it makes me so incredibly happy when you guys tag me and you make my recipes or food that I've shared. It just makes me so incredibly happy. Anyway, so that is my big news. I wanted to get that, you know, put out there in the beginning of this video. So moving along, like let's change gears a tiny bit. I'm not gonna get deep in this video because we're talking about my cookbook, like it's not appropriate. But at the same time, for those of you who do not follow me on Instagram, I did want to just say a little blurb about the world and what is happening right now in the world and in the United States. And it's just, let's take a deep breath. I should have made a cocktail for this, but I've got a Coke Zero instead. Not necessarily just for those who do not follow me on Instagram, but for all of you, I'm gonna say it here as well because I have more than one platform. I do just wanna say, I'm thinking of every single one of you. It doesn't matter what your race is, your color, your ethnicity, your social status, like it doesn't matter who you are. I'm thinking about you, I am praying for you. We all need to come together. We all need to be positive and uplifting. We need to love each other. We need to pray and do the right thing. Be good people. We need to raise our children to be good people. What is happening as far as racism goes, I'm positive every single one of us knows that it is not okay. It is never okay. It's not okay. And enough is enough. We have to make a loud clap. I don't want to get like too deep into this video, just because the beginning of it is like, I made an e-cookbook, hi, yay, exciting. But I also I'm not going to ignore what's happening in the world. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about my cookbook. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. It's just a downloadable PDF file, so you can download it straight to your phone or your laptop, your computer, whatever you do. But yeah, you'll have it with you forever once you download it. It is yours forever, and I hope you guys enjoy. Again, use the hashtag #TrayChicMamaFood if you do make any of my recipes and share them. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.